Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so we need to find the expectation value of x squared, and then delta x for a quantum harmonic oscillator in its ground state. And it gives us an integral that we can use to help us. So let us recall that the quantum oscillator wave function is given by psi of x is equal to c e to the negative a x squared, where c is equal to the fourth root of a over pi. Okay. And we also have that a is equal to m omega over 2 h bar. Okay, so to find the expectation value of x, so the expectation value of x is equal to the integral from negative infinity to infinity of x mod psi squared dx. This is equal to c squared, the integral from negative infinity to infinity, x e to the negative 2 ax squared dx. Okay, so we could solve this integral, or we could notice that the function is odd, and we have an odd function over an even interval. So this integral is equal to 0. Therefore, the expectation value of x is equal to 0. Okay, now the expectation value of x squared is equal to the integral from negative infinity to infinity of x squared mod psi squared dx. So we can double the integral and do it from 0 to infinity, since the hint integral they gave us is from 0 to infinity. So this is equal to 2 times c squared, the integral from 0 to infinity of x squared, and then mod psi squared is e to negative 2 ax squared dx. Using the hint integral that they gave us, which is the integral from 0 to infinity of x squared e to the negative ax dx is equal to 1 over 4a root pi over a. So using the hint integral, this gives us that the expectation value of x squared is equal to 2 root a over pi 1 over 8a root pi over 2a. Okay, and then simplifying, this will give you 1 over 4 root 2a. Plugging in the value of a, this gives us an expectation value of x squared as h bar over 2 root 2 times m omega. Okay, and so now we need delta x. Recall that delta x is equal to expectation value of x squared minus the expectation value of x squared, the square root of all of that. So remember that this was 0, so this is equal to the square root of h bar over 2 root 2 m omega. Let's make this a little neater. H bar over 2 root 2 m omega is delta x.